Namaste friends, I am fitness trainer Sudhakar Mane. Welcome to this episode of Fitness Size India, in which knee deformities are discussed. Normal knee position for the layman's understanding is the one when standing upright, feet touching and little gap is observed between knees in front view and legs remain straight and do not arch backward in side view. With this simplified definition for easy understanding, three types of knee deformities are observed. Number 1, knock knee. In simple words, inward bending of legs, or when standing with knees together, large gap is observed in feet. Number 2 is bow legs, that is outward bending of legs or large gap at knee is observed when feet are touching. And number 3 is knee hyperextension, that is when standing upright, center line of legs in side view from hip to foot is not straight but makes backward arch. Now it is necessary to understand why these deformities happen. Many babies are born with bow legs or develop knock knees due to obesity while trying to stand or walk, or are forced to stand and walk earlier. However, legs normally get fully straightened by the age of 6 to 7 years. These two deformities can also be due to genetic condition or due to medical condition called as rickets, which is a bone growth problem due to lack of vitamin D or calcium and needs treatment. Knock knee and bow legs deformities puts knee under extra pressure on one side, which may increase the risk of developing arthritis. However, if it is due to loose or tight ligaments and muscles, it can be and must be corrected by appropriate exercises and is possible to reasonable extent. At the same time, it is important to understand that exercising, stretching, strengthening, physical therapy and vitamins will make muscles and bones strong and will help to align straightness of legs, but will not change the shape of the bones already deformed. The only way to truly change the bent shape of the bone is to break the bone and straighten by major surgery. Third deformity, that is hyperextension, occur when leg excessively straighten at knee joint, which puts stress on knee and leads to instability. However, if it is due to an injury like direct blow to knee from front, it needs medical treatment. But if it is due to wrong habit of forcibly overlocking at knee during standing, it can very well be corrected by removing that laxity at ligaments by strengthening these related muscles, and if neglected may lead to fat pad impingement, which could be quite painful. Friends, all these corrective actions by exercises are required to be done only under the supervision and guidance of qualified and experienced fitness trainer. Friends, thanks for listening to me, but do subscribe to Fitness Size India channel on YouTube. Do like if enjoyed. Awaiting for your comments. Till then, goodbye.